What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. This video here is a question I'm going to answer. Someone would like to know what fabric I used on my home theater. So I want to show you a couple pictures of my first picture is when I actually first moved into this house and in this basement. I just put the screen on the wall, put a couple knickknacks around it, and my dad took a picture of me because I was very proud that day to have my very first big screen in the home. That was a cool picture. So the second picture I'm going to show you is a front shot of the theater when I had all the kind of pretty much finished. And if you notice, the walls are kind of like a nice wood texture, which looks great. I mean, it's a nice looking wood. Just for movies and nighttime, the screen, the projection on the screen really illuminates the room. So you'll see a lot of kind of reflections from the light, and that kind of got distracting, and it kind of pulled you away or pulled you out of the movie experience. Because when you go to a movie, you want the room to be dark, right? Because you just want to focus on the screen itself. So, second picture I'm going to show you is the after, right? After I put up all the fabric on the walls, and dramatic difference. I mean, when you first watch a movie, when you have a dark room, dark walls, the picture really pops, and you get more engulfed in the image itself, and you're not worried about the surroundings around the screen, and that really makes a home theater really, really special. So I'm going to show you a close-up of what I did to put on the walls and how I tacked them to the wall as well. I want to point out that I bought my fabric from Joann Fabrics. It's a company. Excuse me, I'm not sure if it's in your neighborhood, but it's Joanna Fabric, and I'm sure you can order their materials online. I have it shipped. But I bought the black velveteen, the Empire black velveteen, and they sell it by the yard. So when I first did it, I bought probably I can't remember. I mean, it must have been like 20, 30 yards of this stuff, and I actually cleared out about 3 different Joann stores in my area because I just had to grab all of it. So once I grabbed all the yarding, it's 44 inches wide. So you put it on your wall, and then you cut what you don't need, and I'll kind of show you. Let's go check it out. So basically, when you buy the yards, it's 44 inches wide. So you're talking about from here all the way across, and then you basically just use the entire thing and go down your wall, right? So I don't know if you can see it, but I used black pin all over into the wall, see? And then you just kind of use as much fabric as you need to and cut it, right? Black pin, okay? Black pin, see? That's all you do. Underneath, black pin, black pin. Just cut it what you need, but you just use it to totally cover your walls. You know, black pin there, black pins. You just use it wherever you need to. And then I bought these black drapes here just to put next to the theater screen to cover up and give that movie feel. You know, you got the black curtains in the movie theater. I had a little bit there on the side. Kind of has a nice authentic feel to it. So, yeah, basically just, 44 inches wide. Then you add another 44 inches, no yarding. Go down, another 44 inches, go down. That's what you do. And if you want to cover up any cut up areas, I just cut a thin strip and went all along the crease there and cover up all the tacks that I have behind it. And then, if you really want to go all out, that's the acoustic panels, right? For your room, that's the room treatment. So, yeah, I just kind of went as far as I could to go behind the seats there. Right, you can't really, I'm sorry, I apologize, it's too dark. But yeah, just put the fabric all along and just put the tacks where you need to. That's it. So yeah, that's kind of what I did, is put black velveteen fabric all around the room to make it an authentic theater room. So that's it, guys. That is what I did for the theater. Black velveteen from Joann Fabric. All right, guys, this is Raph. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helps you out and gives you some ideas to make your own theater just a little bit better. All right, guys, have a good night. I'll see you in the next one. Skol.